molten hearts to frozen seas. We've sailed the dark on solar breeze. Now all the worlds we've come to know reflect the light that made them glow. We are stardust still, carried by the flame, born of chaos, yet we came across the void, through time's long well. The stars remember. We are stardust still. Galileo's glass, Copernicus' dream, the arc of truth through the ages gleamed. Oh, from Mercury's fire to Neptune's blue, each orbit turned, and we turned too. In every sphere a mirror shines of human hearts and cosmic lines. The sun still burns, the planets spin. The song of life begins again. We are stardust still, carried by the flame, bound by light, yet never the same. The cosmic tide will rise and spill, but through it all, we are stardust still. No edge too far, no night too deep. The universe is ours to keep. For every end a spark survives, and through our gaze the cosmos thrives. We are stardust still, a voice, a breath, defying time, defying death. When stars grow cold